everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Michelle. So today I am doing a plan with me using my Melanin Christmas sticker set from Potty Mouth Planners. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. So we're just going to jump right in because I have to update the days on here. So let's jump right into this. Put Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. I hope everyone is ready and prepared for Christmas. I'm going to start wrapping all the gifts this week. I plan to be completely done wrapping gifts, hopefully by Thursday. But yes, I have all the gifts. They just have to be wrapped. My friend, she posted that they put everything in random boxes. One was a Cheez-Its box. It was hilarious. I was like, I should probably jump in on doing that. It makes life a little easier. But maybe when the kids get a little older, I will partake in that. So Sunday is the 24th. So just gonna go backwards and write the numbers in. 20. I love her stickers. See how smooth that was and how easy it wrote on there. So, gonna take this, have a Melanin Christmas, and I want to just put it on I want to just put it over here. I'm going to put that there. And let's see. I'm going to put the Christmas Eve here because it's Christmas Eve. And let's see. Go to the box stickers, see what we got. I'm gonna put this here. And I'm going to put this one here. Let's see what else we got. I'm going to use the hot cocoa. And put the hot cocoa up there. And this is really pretty. It looks like a lantern. So we're going to put the lantern right there. I'm going to put the Christmas stockings down here. And I'm going to put the boxes right here. And let's see. I'm going to put Merry Christmas down here. And I'll put this right here. And I'm going to use, I'm going to put this header here. I'm going to put this header there. I'm going to use the bows for like check boxes. Oh, they're so pretty. I'm going to use a big one here. I have a very busy day on Monday. And I am going to put this Christmas tree. I'm going to put the Christmas tree under Christmas Eve. And let's see. I'm going to put this there. And what else do I want to put on here? Put this here and put the mug. And put the mug right here. So this is what this looks like. This is my melanin Christmas spread. It's not too much going on. And I really love these colors. The colors are kind of been washed out. Let me see if I turn this light off. You see it better. This is a little better. But it's so pretty. I really love these colors. I don't like the blue with it. But I do like how this turned out. All right, you guys, thank you for coming along for this plan with me. And I hope you are having a wonderful holiday. And I'll see you soon. Peace.